Hi everyone, my name is Paolo Cruschelli. Welcome to my course, Managing and Monitoring Access to AWS. I'm a senior network and cloud architect. In this course, we are going to explore tools and best practices to securely administer access to AWS resources. Some of the major topics that we will cover include locking down the root user with multi-factor authentication, deep dive with AWS Authorization Framework and IAM policies, managing access to external applications with AWS Cognito, monitoring access to AWS resources with CloudTrail. By the end of this course, you'll know how to properly manage AWS carrier-grade account according to a well-defined set of Amazon guidelines and best practices. Moreover, you'll be able to grant access to AWS resources in a very granular and efficient way, in a wide range of scenarios involving cross-account resource sharing, external users, and authentication with social identity providers. Before beginning of this course, you should be familiar with AWS foundations in terms of the main tools, dashboard and CLI, and the main services. Consider also that having a basic knowledge of RESTful API, Python and JSON topic will help you to easily tackle the material. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Amazon Web Services with managing and monitoring access to AWS